Patricia, we name me why. Say, Mason and May Trichano.
Nana Ama.
Oh, yeah,
Okay, yeah.
Ben won't say about best run.
Obenya BBA di oba. Na aduane na ye ready.
Come on.
Peja, come home. Nada na one of us. Na, yeah.
Yeah, surprise.
I need to catch him so beautiful. Akwaba. Na when na me.
Nicolina.
Oh,
Baba. Yejibaye.
Boko there. Nkra no hoye. Wow, make I say, hey.
So yebeti.
Me da fast every.
Okay yo.
Na me producer Anita.
Okay,
Ajuma no one.
Me producer Anita, ma me ho me nsana na backyard kitchen so be the pa. Wow. Unim se wa modi wa aka nem se na oba o.
Me.
Yes, okay.
Wa aka nem se na oba. Ene ade me ko kire ya na o se me ye no. Me ko kire ngwan se group bia ohro nsa. Na ko this obo ama me yiwe. Yiwe no ma me. Ai na me ohro me nsa because aduane na ko so medi bi. Yanko. Ajuma mama de ya. Na ani na abusia say Anita pa. Anyway, yan for opportunity ni en chairman sign say e won be yin say ufra bontin ba bia be fia wo be den wo be wo sa eye pepepe ya me da se ni mo e won be yin pa so be wo sa enti no am tissue mo anyway me mama kwaba kwaba Eka kamia ka se o ni ashota. Eka kamia ka sa. Anyway. Send ye share ye be didi ano. Mo ma me tra se na mfa dwumade ni hyehyɛ so because me delay na line na mai. Pa cho me tra se. Na Anita topic ode ma me no. Me hia o pa se de ode wa ba no. I was for backyard kitchen ye. Na said the wonim say han and komo ne wo no. And na enkomo bi damakoma so pa. Me pesa me bisa mu ye. Na me nya mu ntiase. Na me gidi ye say wo so no ye di san komo no e beboa wo kwa so no atene me bi ase. Say wo so benya adwenche wi dia maye dia. Na wo so dia fa social media platform. Ba bi bia be hu komo e bia no. Eye YouTube McBrown's Kitchen. Oko hope ya ye bebrego e dia ma. Matna se die na chese ne no me free school mu a me be di school mu nkomo na nkomo no ye tie emum na me hwehwe rep from Ghana Education Service but emre no amma ye kwan na me producer na mu a no akonye teacher ni a wa kira de mfre bebre stages bebre ono so no ya gidi ye se owo mu ntiase na me wa wofo so e wo ye ntemu na asem no nyina yetietie na de mapimpan mu esa se eye Ghana asem nti mekọ ne chi na wotimi anyemu ntiase ena asem aye be kan se ya hwe every tete bepem ne Ghana schools titiriu aban schools no yem aye ma no ye kọ school aye nyina na etwa yeti ye yiyen ye ma ye yiyeti ye parent yiyeti o man chere de nti ye yiyeti mi bebisa se e wo mrem se ye yiyeti ana teachers wa parent wa ha no mumu ayen me to ama bedwafo no mu nyina ye mu introduction ye de nkomo na hyehye so na me kai wo se ye kasa no na didie na mu 2 minutes bia ba yire na mu ene backyard kitchen ba gwe ba yire esi sta prepare me ko kama ai de sardine kakra o stew bi so ho afa me de stew ni kakra target me pe ko sia na wo che onu aya wo sa che ya de stew ni no enti backyard kitchen de man ya kono no ye kasa no de hia no na ese di didi e de count enti abedafo mato amam Yanko.
You.
One day introduction first. August.
Okay, you'll be in too tough. Your backyard kitchen. Hana komono yede.
Ewo.
Komono.
Who baba?
Me tie for any omo mo hwen wo fie nia. Me obaba Nana Ama
Nana Ama McBrown. Nana ewo hin say. O wa brochire me boa. Na Nana onyini wan.
Onyi wo Ghana.
Ebro no benso.
Onyi wo Kotobabi ene Kaswa.
Ena Kaswa. Ena kwabenya kakra.
Ena kwabenya de no ba holidays.
No ba holidays. Nice one. And then I was for me with parents wa ha. Now you enquire your next beautiful guest. Now my introduction.
Yeah, Nana. Missy your friend me, Nicolina na ye ne ye okay, mommy say it secret. It's Miss me wo baba.
Okay.
Ono
Number 2 ya no akyerem position ye amami.
Mate. Nicolina ye adwuma wo National Insurance Commission. National Insurance Commission de ye na ye hwe insurance fo a omo wo ye memo ye hwe se omo ne ye asitina be ye pepepe.
And they say on in my way.
Na extend my way.
And I my way for nkomo bi di wo kura me hia wo.
Me pacho me
wa betena mu di
no problem. And me so me yeah. Come on.
Pacho say me wo we aduane no why. Asa no gbo fu me. Me that one say.
Apart from that, and so me you can say insurance industry no more. A man wo mu ko no. Me sanso ye one penny me ye one president. Ye frey Silak Chartered Insurance Ladies Association. Me na me ye president. Wo ye ho inti. E ma hwe ye nyina ye chia wom. Ene ye wo backyard kitchen. E de na asem na ye ka. Me wo ba na ma hwe e manso bebre. Na me ba boy or no corporate secretary immediate pass chairperson vice chair e wo pre-second so into education hunsem no de debia seminar so afen so about Greater Accra PT and Parents Association so me san so ye vice chair into car school hunsem ne at least me wo ho nimde bebre na me baba ne nti baby or no call school ninti no so ya na ye din komo kakra wo ho the topic no de ye wo bebreka
all right and me the come sister so and there so wa he oni aso tampa to so na nim sa na ma me bo adwuma e woni atibi pa be hu aden cause wa be sra me bro mi ensa mame wo pa ne nkomo no wo be bua ewom Opa, because only teacher ni no a. What try me so bobo we say credentials.
Okay, Adeline Bedu or Dr. Adeline Bedu. My child, I mean primary JSS SS, and I'm now at the university. There's a high technical university as a lecturer there. And you know, as somebody there, you will become.
Who will become
Sure.
Doctor.
Yeah.
Asemi enda kun so aya na confuse ma me pa nti bo ame na yeso ye ntimi ni nkomo ne na ahwefo enyam
Virtual Mate.
afa e be ko da Costa so
Sure.
Da Costa. Ba for teaching. Papa yaw. Because you feel.
Papa yaw.
Na topic now the abana a topic I'm very interested in.
Yeah.
It's a very interesting one. Ye ko ye nim no. Then you beat me at discussing the fine.
Yo, I had a back to say open questions. First of all, you never declare bobo home. It's answer a pentiasia be. And Sunny Abba, dear pet a womb, say be ya quanity, and I say a bebo amano, dear open no extreme position. Nampacho, I didn't in our buying schools, the decline, our Ghana, and mano, ye too.
Okay.
Doctor.
I should talk okay. And yeah, my ashe phone you know akwa ba. The other ones that won't share na. Yes.
First of all, doc.
Yeah.
School ban no watch dey. Anta na obe pie university.
See, my child dey primary.
E wo hin.
Primary. New Abrim. New Abrim DA. District Assembly. And a match idea war. Just so driving.
Okay.
Just so driving JSS.
Okay.
Right? And my child there I know me for service work for tech.
Okay.
Then I came to do another service before Zion Girls, Winneba.
Okay.
Then I finally went to teach at Konyaku Senior High.
Hey, what there?
It's free Konyaku Senior High, no? And I'm moving to Accra Technical University.
Wow. So the baby will be better as you say. And that's what cast where doctor no akeke. What's your address? Into your PO box. You can do that.
Yeah.
Baby, what church are doing in a do no na buying school?
Yeah, buying school.
Na who say when it's you a man a woman ye tri me ye me pen.
Ye. Baby amateur baby nkwala ni yom ti na reason kakra me hu no say nkwala ni go omuti e wo school ho na it takes their attention sometimes. Okay, sometimes etinu ye fi e wo say onya time o de be kokoko wo hye ni ti time o betena ho aye de be bo. No, the number of hours that Akolano was so spending on Sanka time, no? So Akolano at the core class, and as all the Christian the anchor, obey more, obey achieving more. So I think the reason, though there is no national law.
Come baby sound.
There is no national law that binds, say, it was say Akolano Kuni school. By force, I was say, unity. And my dear, we are going to say, and your men so, and your member made an chance, any identity, in order to avoid Sanyo Mano. And as some of the schools, Omodia can't policies, some regulations, we say, send your baby school now, your banal per se, or buy a hand qua dear, and you will be chouty. So, tia, now, Abba. So one tia so there, and there are other schools who bet me aqua, or bet me eduti akot. But majority of the government and the public schools, because of say, person kolano competition, and away bonity, and away the any effect, and away, and a time now, best spending because sometimes we jaw will be or best spending the whole day.
Matuate, any pencil, and Nico.
The immediate so say, say, sometimes they are not able to keep it well. Na ye fi no de nam esan say bia assignments guni so a so your so suade into that same distraction now obenya say o kotena se o suade no o to me say na we janity no basa all bono and then the other side is who needs to count the money this week so fan ko bonity na say or the nitine sa e finish sa na beko na emu bon anase bibi afen so wo class na dam fufo na bia obi twi ne ti no oh we I say let's and then na
me na mawo meba me na mawo meba ana minim say aban school nka ne papa mu no me fa ne say me pesa akra no de na ho ofenyini ta ho ofe no so de ne natural anyini a emma no courage bi confidence bi to me man express ne ho ma wo meba metumi maintain niam ya wo kanyina because me gidi say enkra na ye twitwetwa yiti ne na edimene ye kakra my self confidence form
absolutely
answer na obe building up wa obe wie ss abe building up no na niam bi afa wase nti me wo meba no me say metumi maintain tire na ma no say na otwe bia me maintain me mfa nwi bia nka ho ono ane natural hair no me bo me say bi kwa me bo ama ano no akoshim me ye ni neat every week de me bana be school yet obey no homework me want no time as a parent me kasama parent obetumi aye saade Na emre bia ni ho say ye yi nkola ne tin. Wada Romo still ni jina public school so. Ko bi be ka say ade ne on fa ne private school.
Yeah.
But let me kasa say a Ghanaian woman me person me bade ne natural henyini. Maybe ko be nyini no on fa bibia nka ne ti no entwe. Na od betumi ay African woman na ye kan. Na enso me de no bae no moyi ni ti. Because say area na me won say school no na wo.
Oh, competition so ka ho. Ebia wo betumi aye, esan ne nyina nye pe. Ebia wo betumi aye, but obi ntumi nye. Nti ba sa na the competition bi ba nkwala ne ntem. Nti ne omo nyina ye ntwa.
Okay.
Nti se wo pe ni sa dia then they say men fan in school ho.
Ana wo o ma no nko school wa.
Me back here no baby of course or private school. That's the fact. Into baby or corn from JHS this senior na obonity because or no nankasa on person betra. And like you rightly said, no, met to me ashe, manaye ne kama, but obin to me she. And no and you live in a community, say you want them to blend. Oh, into sana school ne better.
That's no break worker and snow.
Absolutely. But also public, public wants to maintain a certain standard. But private, no dear, sebi, obi nana when you in car, what they in school. The obeka so and no pese oye. But public is not like that.
But mema nkasa. Meba. Kasa mema nkasa.
Nana, me pe idea no. Omdi nkwala omuti no.
Okay.
The thing me pe sa idea ne senana. O say emprepi ne mema no. Yehu akwala akwara so address na se ebi a obi anka nkyere ye say wo ya akwala na woso a. Yehu because of ebi asene waboniti ene sene wa aniti no. Ba se wa yiniti de a uhu na wo se we woso. Or SS and or JSS. Akwala we onyi eti na we yiniti. It may a bad aspect na mepe. But the probability na yema inkwala chance emwa entru su ne ompeso omo ye ne fele se ye tran kwala ne fa hodi so. Because inkwala ne bi owo pe. See you mutin kwala bi wa me banana se oka so free school banana so onko you tip say no daddy me mfu na me fambo style kakra me post school a no makwakwo which means kanye school na omompene ma no fa ne ti embo ne ti nko school na nka no be professor be body ti dia ko school but school na oya agwe say o bebe school ho no de a o consent porters porter girls eti law say o bebe school ho a o be youth when you a want me be school ho but want me say akwara no ya try to find wo dey so because ono onya ya ko be boniti e dey akọ school but me so me feel say eboa esa say na hu na sisi a okodu abroche hu na say osu akwara pa hu ginde obeka say wani ana onam ho no because of say ne waye ni team so ne obo ni team de nam ntu obeka say oyo penia so nko ogara ha ko da so SS kan ya eden ya yi ni ti ama no so eti nana me
jina bia ne say eye say nkwala no omu yi omuti free at least from JSS to SS university would do work school obetumi aye with team style bia opese but from I think say JSS to SS no mu yire because nana say we dey imagine say your classroom nana imagine say mana boom ti no mo ayefe na yenso ye mema no ye tete class no e to dem kwa adwen pon kwa adesua no so ye nkambese da fosa kasa ba me say ba so say ba tomo me muntemi me say ba so say mama said ye 3 year free titi ya ye it think free titi no you maintain your natural hair so said they go South Africa obetimi maintain natural hair maybe why no say a little wajano dread ne akwa no de nyina you see that their confidence is very high so you maintain no na basis abia still akwa no o ya kola wo hu so ya kola Enti na me kire say yentimi monitor say wow natural con na mono yemfa rebe yenye hwe mu apia hwem ebi anọ kwa no mbo mu mpama no se bi training pie ma ehun ye fia No akwa. And I no open policy said. I ban school.
Yeah. Nana, the thing is
Enti-
that even the private
Wow,
schools,
bet me no. Ye ma option say akra no maintaining it. Nemom ye wouldn't say more if you 1 2 3 dia obechi obetwa. Ana
Okay, come
that
on,
was
Kaka.
a bremo.
Okay.
I mean to us.
Topic we about the right time. Very right time. Na me fan from angle miensa.
Okay.
The entire me say about the right time. Me fan from the course we see our Ghana. Na me the abefi. Say who follow media. On bo say abane person we introduce free SHS but private secondary schools. For I think next we see. I'm say on a private for ni na issue akama they agreed on how much they are paying them. Enti say na when we introduce free teachers for private secondary school, it means say omo ananka omo ntimi for omo mark private no. Say be started omo mark private because aban bi tua private owners no. Enti afi ye be hwe na private for no mo bo muti no. Na dodo no kwa aban na mo muti no. Na say omo be flood government no. This topic eba be raise as to whether we mo kwa mo bo muti and be mo twem. Say about the right time.
Yeah.
Aha me acho we me ntwa no hene. Me ko Kumasi amene Ashanti Regional Minister. Dr. Frank.
Yeah.
Amakon Ethnic Cultural Center. Na oye Ashanti Fest. Bisa doctor Otuma menene kan wan some say dog. Enkulei wa nyina hu ba hu be ma. Oda ma hu. Adie pa ne mra no.
Exactly.
Se enkulei nyina ne ma ho ya. Bebre sisi we but kaya bubo mutia. Eno mchihye omo ho ketekete krom ti wan ka be hu se obekura ne ba mu. Ena de to. Papa ya, me sorry to aso.
Okay. Enti na me raise from that angle na me hu say ye be fra. But say private for na timi a maintain amankwa na bo muti. E dey na ye betimi asuafi ho. E kwan be na omo fa so etimi run is system no within the same country. Amankwa no timi ni ye be twere the same exams etimi pass ye. Omo ye ne sen. The initial idea of say mo twa no, adwe na etachi no na enye bad. But emre sisa said they know what can about disciplining those aspects no. Na adwe etachi no enye bad kra. But emre ko na nimu na ye tu kwan kwa abonti fo tu kwan ba na ye hu niam different no. E wo se yetimi sisa en ho kakra. But when me first bet sisa still ye betimi maintain the main aim ni ntia ma ye de call that direction. Ntia me ka me fan from different angles. Ye hwe ni sei ya hwe ufa SS ba ku bia dipa dodo ewum na ye mfa ne say ye makwan ma omabo konro kra na ye ma opportunity ama oma na omunim tirebo no e bia be set up e wo school mu ho ana nkwa ne ntimi nkwa bonten but weekends mo bo no school mu ha look at the jobs e be create
Absolutely.
nkwa na nkasa nya opportunity ya e bi betimi asua chene bo school mu ho on weekends
They do.
na ayete say system na ye run with just academic instead of education. Yes, system now is schooling. We are not really educated. We are schooling. Yeah, first system nim the PA. But name what ye nya no fi school ba this also akusua.
Yeah.
On said the iron. It is like that system ni bi was schools ni mu a. Ye nkran bebrebe and then bebrebe nursing afi na omusu etribo.
Exactly.
And it is like you know how we can turn this thing as an opportunity. Now you create this environment within our schools. Your man crying quabonting, but over limited the kind of three with me abo. And also those schools now moye college and other year or more no
Exactly.
it would be limited or say, but then a opportunity for business, opportunity for some crying besuya, no almost standard not as I one. That is another angle I'm putting with. The third one was confidence aspect.
Absolutely.
Say akra tambia no na kotwa uti koyese a otwen koso ya akra kuti se ubeje ni mu ansa ti yen benya 18 years no afa na ye benyi ni ono wo different country nya 18 years ono epenyin dada to ono di ka di anim
Absolutely.
all situation no but you build that confidence no ye mu a akra ne di 18 ne betimi anyin se penyini o fi school mu si amontiana confidence no wo
Wonderful. Ye nyina etete e how many times I share weeks?
Yeah. Yeah.
I very much you see na that woman.
Yeah.
So I'm saying I'm far share adwene mu from that ninti no. I am do kuma. I'm not to say no problem.
Yeah.
And so now I feel never. Me mama you pay. But you put your confidence no from crab.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm a woman in daddy. Between the account. You put your confidence, no?
Yeah.
Every crab.
It's true. But
why in that time I'm at saloon ram a session here my own pay.
Exactly. I went to a sixth form. Now me call sixth form no. That time your boy 80. Secondary college. Your boy 80. But you are told send your Uber nafa. And Nuna, to answer you directly, with the private schools now, they tell them exactly. Send your musip to say conro, nini nankwechi, style be nimu. Wo dormitory what to me release it, but wo bas school hona they know what so kama and
the me subscribe no. Yeah, mommy. Oh, release you. What you know? I flat to I to compose.
Exactly.
No. What you say, ma? Near the panya.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Before say, I schools no nyina be accept the fact to say, akola bia or baby betumi abonit no. There should be a bill that has to be passed. So, I was say yenya policy for the whole country.
When I a doctor, or a lecturer, in teacher mu.
And so I was say yenya document bia a bit like something that can legislate parliament now so okay, from now every Ghanaian girl who goes to a and of course natural no per se because obi ne man so omutina na omode enti
ya doc na de mema me kasa wa kakra
kasa na me so ndi ma yi na
won say yes sisters ya omutiti abrochire bronya dunia omudo omu my ba holidays occasions and as omu time om dem cry ba holidays akola wo 8 years uhun se ni twinwi no eno ano ma me de aye obeto ni tipesu 8 years ya ida say the tipesu no wo be 16 years akwa na nyini ba force
yeah
onu na wa nyini ba force no akola wo fra brochi aba no ba wo so oteta no wo say enso no nyina age the same age enso no confidence na yirama akola no kra wa chinchi wa chinchi no ha di no oguns minim dia say bia metie me kasa bebre dia but
you're right
enti me ba cho aden na enkoba self ye betumi aside say ye dey emra no ye twa bill no at least ye ntumi nkasa akra ne do age bia na se ye betwa obetumi dia from class 1 na to be a 6 JHS na o free fia ko ba bi na SHS na o free fia ko ba e na bi e ho de bi e be ma na twa so that ye no kro benya few no kakra who said this is just for this period we am go university I will grow my hair back.
The aspect of the bill now raising and one I started the AE is the first stage of any bill.
Yeah.
The AE. Any bill be is the first stage.
Yeah.
Discussion.
And
common na A raising no.
Dina bayan baido.
And common na A raising no. Na and me no work na watch na woni minister kan. Na obi no mo kan no. Na ama e show interest there. Say no. Ipado do no nanka omo pe ba ko na say insisan ya ba. Eti afi utie nkomo no. Utie feedback no na epushi obi ama wa di introduce bill. Na afi o start e say no say ni ipado no nkomo ni for this direction. And we say if you are saying sense dey see any man. Eti the is the first step of any bill.
Eti anuanu mu didie na me so me di aseda e ma eye syntax tank say waso me mu na metimi di backyard kitchen ebreo Sarah na my way insurance said the sister can send my way up.
I said no way.
I said no way. Annie send my way. I said no way. After you the asida bio ebema high sense. Madam high sense me and me te hey. Me no ka say promo bi e koso. And na ye recording promo I started with high sense. me no kasa air condition ya tete so say hu wa opa bia to bia bora ho eye high sense showroom na kwa jewo de me da ase bebre pa aha pe me dia se da kase so ma holy insecticide spray kase ye te ha ya very very comfortable and tonto ba go current me ma ha esan se den ye setup ni wie bia ye the holy spray her so that during the day and once na mu anketenkete ntontom on person bowra mu nyina no ye bre o mase ni enya hoto e dia ye show sa na holy mosquito coil so wo ho eno so betimi atso e dia si plate so da bia ye safe mfa mentoma mfa men mattress mfa men bia na den ntimi mo ohuban abontin o mfimfini o ba bia otimi edisi yeda mo asimidin de Nana Ama McBrown wadaro mama yensi abonten na yenje anuanom so eye awofo awoma ede ekosku ayeyi omuti no yensi abonten ni yenje awofo so ede adwenkyere ewo asemi ho ye basisia
ye fam Nana Kwame adwenkyere ni nyina se ye mama na mu free crèche ye bo omuti no mbedu secondary school na say primary na etwa omuti no to me ne come who say we live in a community whereby I say you follow Sanema from being crowded. You can say they hold the compare Guinea any possible sir. And I say we also on Sanema so the bar originality so now nothing about Trinity. So to me I was somebody can't give permission if your parents know and sana on step take it that step no take it that step because and when you chinchina try say was say idea was say a permanent thing say a pranaba it's a school rules or it's also trinity now there be say my many parents name my choir you are not supposed to do that.
A friend of mine, they turn back to prisons. My joint ran say, akwala de we yin ti a eye say obeja ne ti agusu abeye bebre efu bebre wo hia no kra ne ho nya akono but we yin ti a eye neat wo akwala no kra no wani age enti me so my joint ra me kire fa ho
for backyard kitchen here. I'm very happy say metumi anya adwenkyere kakra afi abonten e dia kan de ye ho me ba cho bojumede hu de roma me na sa woni me ya adwen so a ana woni ye wa ha ya adwen so a fa wadwenkyere eto eye YouTube McBrown's Kitchen ase ha na adofo nyina entumi nkenkan bi na se de yakwa aba no ye beje adofo so e wa ha so ento aso na ye hu omu stand ba bi omu gina. Do they agree say omuma ebetwa omuti ana yentwa nkola niti ana say yenjai omu na yennecha omu yentiti omu yemfa mranto ho na yemma omu no mu fa enwini nyini kopem say omu de bewie ana omu de bewura ye secondary no mu akọ university na omu de omu di enti a omu achusu saa no so account mba cho ye nko hwa na be sha ase ama me
sister ene wiase etiri nyankopon abode obokan ye ho ene wiase na ye de apaso ema ne bi so ko e de omti ko hye machine mu no mu eti omuti
ne hye weeks ahodo
de yare ene nyomanwoma baba me de me feel say enkwala no ese etumi busa na ye de omope ehyo mo sa eba no etiri no ho a ye busa o meba upe se ufu tiri ana se upe se uyi utiri ye onkwala ne bi so omope omti
okay
omompe omuti na omufu ko say obi ni mo bombre wakra so still omtini eyi omuti ne punk se ne omtama na omusu na omuyi omuti
ana nkwa no bi okro muti nyune e den dada unu no ma na osu ene ade nti no wo so wa yenchen pesima me mede fa
imagine chene se enkwala no na ese ebusom ne de omfa ahodie ehye omonsa na omkire ne omope
Matia Nick na said Ayemi and send your sicker no. In fact, even wow say obechire abayu na send your best ahwe ne ho. Oboni ti na o che ne say wo sorry a wo ye say wo ni no mo kama wo ye ni wo siesie ho kama e kantete ne ho train up the child the way it should go. And that Chokon no cross say I can't baby say the glory of the young is in the head. Oh, inti what share no send your besia no more or share no says in the who come a quantity and no inti any or mubon como senya many and kind. If you have been on peso be bonnet and not be keepy or be transfer on trying to send ya any basabas.
Yes.
It's then na a quantity and no. Yeah, about a Ebia was sorry and now share even pubic hair. That was shaving now channel. Ninny na quantity and it's me a coming quanka. Make I say my entra. But so bani peso tra manintra bacheno. O peso bones watch and say etino e maninye fi.
And I say, I'm say, yeah, one ko say
exactly. And since I won't school now, you see, say was school no swa manin sisa.
And to what drink children.
Thank you,
Doctor.
Nana,
Yes.
Nana, baby. Yeah, you know, but they make us say, me emphasize it on the natural hair, no. See, you bet say be passes are bill now American as on be dia to mudia. Nay, I yen say, ye con according to young natural hair.
Yes.
And then maybe a young coffee when you be income.
There be
natural now.
There be
We are born fine. And then, as they said, you know, it makes you feminine. Well, as a woman, like I said, me banana, one day I'm me told to know because me my bread. No, so no, mommy. No, I look like a boy.
Sano kaya.
Oh, last week I see that they kind of hack They want her to look like a boy. And to know, try. I mean, it doesn't say sana employment no baba. Yeah, as he said, bisa omo, open see a chauti, and I yembo. If they accept it, we go by it. The secondary schools, it shouldn't be a mandatory something. It should be say we be tunia.
Just like from primary, you know.
Because primary, yes, from primary, say, we're Trinity, she looks like a boy.
Yes.
That is what she said. Baby, we should do it official. Now, and quiet to say, Obia Bonibetia, Shabra, your brands, honey, and young Colay, no, dear bedroom hop, or drew no mass. Was the young coach? No mucha, it's a ha,
independent Anna Hamo.
Hey,
one net chatty, and then for now, Bill be by advice I may and say, who go school now, prospectus near dear who. And I say, who choose to school now? It is advisable for the parents go to the school, do visibility studies when it comes to the choice of schools now. This school, then if it is not there, then you encourage your child to go to a school where
I'm very proud of my daughter. And no nama manage pa. Mebano oko crown and glory ewo gbawe. And a big shout out to Dr. Mr. Amankwa, any teachers, any students, ne obia, Mrs. Amankwa, munyina, school mommy. Now, na discipline o school ni mu. Enti na mde ne call ho. Ne nua munyina, ho no mu wie, Chancey, Phoebe, Nikita, ena Malaika. Na discipline e wo ho no, e ho ne uja uchini no. Ena ho no almost style like the bottle, no.
Good, yeah.
Artificial emfra, no ribbons.
Yeah.
Into no omu boni nyina malaka ni tunyi fe. Into obe school. And me mani nyina so boy ne ye boys prefect. Phoebe ye girls prefect and san owie. Malai Nikki the only boy no boss into no. I think it's entertainment to be. Na malaka so be girls prefect to school.
Wow.
Into the chimney no person obey.
yeah.
And then besides, now person obey you know. When I go to exams no, malai. Who go to exams no? O mami, I beg you, pa, the men go school be emu. Send me ame ba, men go I beg you school. Into bomodi answer obey cha. Into school benny ben or me pe holy child, me pe way. And I'm so okay. School no. The bet to me a uncha wutin nibi na ope was a collie. And I'm saying, well, depend on your results.
Absolutely.
Me no ka say. Me ba no twa say 11 once you say. Automatically now I qualify for school no. Enti sa de me no be ko agreement. Say ya makwan anase ya makwan so obi enja ne beti a. Me suggestion no ansa na da costa we be ma. O de awie. Ya makwan so obi entwa ne beti a. Me ba no me no be ko agreement. So where exams no koye dia. Ubenya school papa woncha wuti no. But where exams no go ye dia.
Yes,
You go back in there.
Enye say passing law bi sa.
Say no dey na nkomodie na shase. Now, me wa me baby wa anu mo a. Wono wo experience wo etire ye hu pa. Me frɛ no. Na wa ba. Na wa be ka bi a che. Ado bia. Bra on your school mu kura na yi ni ti o sele. For one time change. Ado bia wa baby.
Nana.
Cash. Clothing line they say.
Comes collection.
Oh, some say bia che. Some man bia che. Ado bia wa baby comes collection.
Nana.
Ado.
Nana.
Tell say you chouti am say me too ti wana. Woman me too many. Me too message asho.
Nana me too. Mama say the boy.
Mama say that they are bad.
Me we ba. Me say
now what's your experience?
Nana.
Yay.
Who's a TV no. Sanka. Prime no mun yo mutia. Anka me hu ni sanka no eyoke. JHS eyoke. But ye share SS Eco University as o mo matured stage. Inti anka see it me jaye. Nana metimi keep me natural way. I could do form 3 and make exams.
Natural way so na me hu. Any natural na ba ko.
Nana neti no won.
Ya miss me dey kwero. Miss me dey me jantro. And let me say me na me as me first na me timi kele. Kam manya kakren ka down the bo. O dey entu ne. O be say da ba lutin wa be kire in the next episode.
Yeah.
Enti na meja minwi na meti exams for the diseases teacher the diseases abe hye mitiri mi. Nana me ya science.
Nana school ya so munja mutini.
Nana ye eti. Ba me hu say me hu law a e wo Ghana syllabus e kire say say we uti and then say we.
Enti na o de na te say ni o de season.
Nana me natural hair me meja. You say me you normal meja form 3 in full say but meja is a normal eti.
Obua no nim so be we skin to enjoy.
And only point me dey na me problem.
Okay.
But just that process is fast so na you wrong because some of the threat exams no. Or the shame now so money here or send the paper me ma want no delay with time.
That's bad.
Into no way di money diseases into do ha not the railway to no chat not the railway to no o things you know. Into who free exams or about you because why you feel free in the future.
Why one
Into that I'm suggest say and komunja SS4 there so mutimi job and I send na work no omobo conro na echi no mo de ahye echi o fefe na nka mo timi use nti prime ni GSS.
Into feel say mama eche me experience sa niema no a yesu a ye tiri ho sa even though wo nwi so ka imagine say adobia owonyi pa ne na wonyi metimi de abometri ase conro me na mka mechiro e ma no na wonyi ni bia hwe o hwe ne akora nwi no hwe e na guna so achi so enne no enne ho nye owura imagine say adobia wonyi na wajani nwi from France secondary na ono suggestion no our dear we secondary obe we no ko university the confidence is there the natural hair na ye tin into ko university anya fe no okopa ma me week and as afa na da bia university nyame amawa bebo tinyu sa on budget sa na efra no obe on budget ye mu na ye bida hwe otonyu ba ko a any 3 weeks ya o sane na wa ma kra ne wa chire no wo school no na wa kona sana nya be ma bi na be mo de ato we mu bia hye no a na ne confidence na ho ofa bia yira we de ma me fa won na me nda bio 16 fu ase sana me mpa suru ipa na free ha ko pe ni che If we had tra yendi. E ko pen chi. Wan pasuru bi o pa oh Awurade ma mo se. Nipa nye. Me wan pasuru bi. Ye wan pasuru no. Ye ne etade etuni be ni no.
What are the machine ready?
Ye kali etuni bi a o
I am slant bita.
I am strong.
Chese mutuni mo mbe efe.
Strong.
Efe na machese wibia. Na nse am titi fie ide. Ba hesu yi.
I am strong.
So nim say we gna so emboaye.
Emboye.
Efe de.
Emboye.
No, timi no shishi.
Ye bet to me na ye
Ana me ka no. So nim say we gna emboaye.
Emboye.
Because because one, your confidence ni wu ye na abe eno na dey survive.
Surviving.
Two, one sha. Ahia obejo bibi wo. Unko.
That's all.
Yeah.
What I say,
Yeah.
even though sometimes the game saver or game changer, it save you from time being here. But say yes, start here and come through here and pursue. I think a BO16 pomade, from the relaxer to the pomade to the shampoo to the hair mist BBR. I think I'm money fuka crab to me. I used to know. Na me, how am the minimum tino?
Now may raise the issue of say what I encourage dialogue.
Absolutely.
Yeah, fast hard and share entity.
Always when I want to.
Enti sɛ wobɛhwɛ sɛ GES pɛ sɛ ɔmo introduce policy na ɔmo yi before no ehu kakra wom. Na nsɛn a ɔmo yi firi hɔ sɛ ma yɛ mmɔ nkora no mmaa no.
Yeah.
Because yɛamfa dialogue antete nkora no. Ɔmo lose ɔmo freedom na afei ɔmo rebel wɔ school.
Yeah.
Ama SS na ibi nti ama ɔmo yi old policy bi afiri hɔ na ɔmo suro because of ne nsusu aso.
Yeah.
Enti no sɛdeɛ PTA mo wɔ PTA ni ade mɛ encourage sɛ my dialogue no started from your PTA sections no. Na yenya say yɛhyehyɛ PTA to ansa na yɛafrɛ parents. Eti parents ba the head teachers ne teachers ahyehyɛ na yɛbɛfrɛ mu aka akyerɛ mu. And we make it look like it's a meeting, any meeting. I say so for any asɔre ma preach they just inform you. Na yɛtumi dialogue a ɛna ebehu baabi a yɛde free ɛne baabi a yɛde kɔ. After okay yɛpɛ sɛ yɛyi ade we free hɔ na sɛ yɛyi free wɔ ebi a na sɛ na ɔka no ogus say man bo muti a omo efefe na ma attract member no eti no we one of our fears that is fears ne say ye ma omo bo muti a time also omo de sua de omo de be we fears it is issues we nyina e wo ho no then ye person e fi on say ne be ye no na fe obi ya de input aba okay yesu say ye ko ni say na ye ni say ye be ye say the fire be say then we can now come out with something by come say then we are no head teachers no a share meeting come on some topic mo fe parent come ka tell mo ye to be making progress.
Absolutely.
Yo, and I'm not for and I come using because ladies and gentlemen. I'm not for ladies and and I was about backyard kitchen. Me did as a come away abroad pa. If you are crying a question, no, any baby sending
Yeah.
and nothing yourself, so what channel. Now so do I venture to a say why their mind. Backyard kitchen ni a hand come on war. Me da munyi na ase. Send them over can ho na. Me jide se mbasa baby o. Mbasa baby
Na baye no na
Asa. Oh, I do my. Namu gaza ye ni yedi. Yeso. Ajima yeso ba ye na ede. Ane ede pa. Na minia no mo. Sade na mi kodi pa na me ba no. Me the product be fie. So ma be pie mu so de a. We de GC brand. Me pese me ma musumu bi. Na enkola wo fie. Na mo wo ma ba wa yi. Pa chow.
ye pasi ye pasi.
Okay, so that was that one hour. You want me be mama. You ma ko bra. Na ibra. Na odu fi a West Brent tuntum ni nyina.
Nti weni ye e ma ne de.
Princess. Okay. Enye man kwa na sra o.
Okay. Ene me jime de.
Wo dia. Wo dia.
De ma no.
Enye man kwa na sra. Adoya.
Yeah.
I don't be also Gia.
And I'm in that same.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fatos and then I'm pasra. Where tuntum no about that's wrong. Yes. Holy.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah. Princess body lotion.
Okay.
Any holy. Madam Wase. Say and then one bestra. Me na yam komo e bedu na ndie ye. Eyo e bedi nkomo eno na enye TV so nkomo. Ah say mo bestra me.
Empacho
Ye da nyamia
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Ye da nyamia nti Ghana fo nyina achichi ne benchefo a mo hwe backyard kitchen. Misrawo wasoma obi share kan wasam na obi so ntimi mehwe bi. Na ye nyina yetimi nya den adwenche no bebre. Na ye nhwe se ye ma no ye twa omuti no na ye se de ye no ana se ye betum ne nsesaye kakra ba saa nsesaye no emra be wo ho ama omutumi agya omuti nwi no na nwi no atumi anyini na agya ema African woman na ye kan ye hu ye tunyi na ni so ne texture se de be se treat no and how be se keep no but before se be kono me pe obi a stand and sana yako okay yo damn ball position ne de
sister ne fele se ese ebusa nkwala no na ye o mapede ema o
sa ho into be bisa oba no de ope obeya ama no nice one on that note me ko na so achem ne stand beautiful na o stand ne de he
Me stand say yen jamma wo. Yen keeping no natural and beauty for them. No mo yen hu say omo ye ema beautiful girls. Yes, so that's my stand.
into the yenja omutinyu no then show them how to keep it well.
Yeah.
Na afi omu fanyini.
Absolutely.
Nice one. I'll go to my lecturer, Dr. Adley.
Yes. Miss Major, because already the crab and say she looks like a boy.
Okay.
And then we should also keep it in order to showcase our culture. Yet I was say natural.
Na etimi dia homa no kra bono.
We want to find, then it will boost our confidence. Then when we travel outside our country, we can also showcase our culture. That's in my country. And they even love you when they see your hair like that.
Yes.
And so encourage. Na yen kasa wo hwe kasa one nkodu baby I say edu no. So they will listen and then they will pass a law that will help allow students to plait their hair and to look beautiful and to promote our culture. Yeah, no.
Oh, I'm a baby. I don't know. Mr. Da Costa.
Nana, ye system no. Ema system no makwan. Na de opese oboniti no omoniti. De opese wutwa no ontwa. Yen fanfa e PTA meetings ni mu. The parent teachers no meetings are yen raise topics no. Ye hu say ye ma no pese mo ma wo mo kwan. Na ye starting free ho. Na pushing cost na ebeye.
Ye da mo ase na mawura iso de wo hye ne bobre. Into de wo pese ye twa du SS ho. Still chem baby ogina ye. Wo point no.
Okay, na 90 ntwa, but you do SSR. Omunja omonomo.
No mu foundru and 12 my bravo so.
Pachoan.
Yo, and then madam was why. And then come on, I very educated. And you giddy, but very important. A chair my gain so. Into Minjini seminar, a lot of questions and beside. Rather than the a woman ginimu and then fuse beside now. Madam was say for all the answers so. After what we share so near better was say and as was share a year backyard kitchen. YouTube, McBrown's kitchen. Koswa na she ne bon deru efama pa. Afei fa on common no de den eto aso. Fa share comment section ho. Na yintumi den. Enkan wo de no, enkan wo. Yeda mu nyina ase. Ye be hia na otwense ne ansa na ye be kono. Me da high sense ase. Holy insecticide spray, Syntex tank. And I say my way. I said no way. Dial *165#. And no one code no. Ubenya so need so. na you want to me and complete here. Ye will tell you say man and member to one more. Umbeden. Show. Ye will man and member umbefro at waso. The air can send my way no and found momo pin Emma will be a ye inquire frower, shedding so. Said bear will be into me for 6 and an all 9. Made that see be we share no chance any. Hey, because I'm on your show time. Made that see be and now share. Friday, you best have the full at 2 hours. Made that say. Bye bye.
I'm in common.
I'm in common.
Backyard. I'm in common.
Backyard.